Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if P of B equals 3 by 4, P of A intersection B intersection C bar equals 1 by 3, P of A bar intersection B intersection C bar equals to this, then this is what? Okay, now you know that in this question these guys are talking about three sets A, B and C. So first try to draw the diagram so that we can understand this thing with better clarity. So we have, suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. Okay, now A intersection B intersection C bar means inside A, inside B, outside C. So who is this room? So this is this room. So we got 1 by 3. Now look at this thing. So it is inside B but outside A, outside C. So this room 1 by 3. Okay. Then we have uh, now we don't have anything else. So suppose that for time being this is X and this is Y, and we have to find out B intersection C. So if you'll observe, this is B intersection C. Correct? So we have to find out the value of X plus Y. Now look at this. Can I write this question as P of B? So P of B will become what? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus X plus Y. So this is according to us probability of B, and according to the question, what is probability of B is 3 by 4. Okay, so we got X plus Y as 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So we got things as 9 minus 3 by 4, and then 4 twos are 8, 12. So it is 1 by 12. Therefore, the probability of B intersection C is 1 by 12. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.